Alright, so here's my 10 cents fix. It's a dime. So I was having a vacuum leak, and my scanner said cylinder 1 and cylinder 2 was misfiring. So I did a smoke test, and the sour was leaking on mostly on the first intake manifold here. So leaking from the top and the bottom. So anyways, I got new gaskets. I got basically the whole gasket set for everything, throttle body, everything. It's a whole kit. Put it all back together, and it ran a little bit better, but it was still showing actually the check engine light didn't turn on this time, and there was no check engine light whatsoever, but it still ran rough like it had a vacuum leak. So I did another smoke test, and now the smoke was actually shooting out from the side instead of the top or the bottom. I said, what the heck? So I thought it was leaking from up here. Then when I took it out again, I looked at, I'm like, where these flaps are. See the flaps moving here. Let's see. So the flaps moving. So over here on this side, it's actually the mounting the sealant that was right here. It just completely fell apart. There's pretty much nothing left of it. So on this side there was a big old hole, basically. So what I did was I just put some I just took some motor seal. This is what you use for to rebuild a two-stroke top end head gasket, so it could take the heat. I didn't have any other type of sealant, so I cleaned this part up really well with the electronics parts cleaner. And what I use this is because this thing is safe for both plastic and O-rings. So I cleaned it up really well all in here. Then I smeared the motor seal around on the inside right there, and I just shoved the dime on there, and using this little mallet here, or this big mallet, and now it's nice and flush. It's in there with the sealant. I think it's good. I don't think it's ever gonna leak again. So that's my 10 cents fix right there, huh? Yeah, so hopefully that works with the vacuum leak.